Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.